Hey everyone, welcome to your beginner's guide to getting your front splits. Whether you're a dancer, athlete, yogi, or just looking to become more flexible, you are in the right place. Today, we are going to gently walk through a series of yoga poses that will help open up your hips, stretch your hamstrings, and create the flexibility you need to eventually slide into your front splits. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. So take your time, listen to your body, and enjoy the process. Let's begin in downward facing dog. Spread your fingers wide, press into your palms, and send your hips up and back. This pose is amazing for waking up the entire back of the body, especially your hamstrings and calves. Take a few deep breaths here. Maybe pedal out your feet, stretching one leg at a time. Feel the length in your spine and let your head relax between your arms. From here, step your right foot forward and slowly come into pyramid pose. Both legs stay straight with your front foot grounded and your back foot angled slightly out. Hang at your hips and fold over your front leg. This pose gives a deep stretch through the hamstring and calf of your front leg. If your hands don't reach the ground, place them on your yoga blocks or your shin. Remember, it's not about how low you go, it's about feeling the stretch. Bend your front knee and gently lower your back knee down into equestrian pose or low lunge. This pose stretches the hip flexors and quads on your back leg, which are key to achieving your front splits. Breathe deeply and try to keep your hips square. Now shift your hips back into half monkey pose. Straighten your front leg, flex the toes back toward you and fold forward gently. This pose isolates the hamstring of your front leg and helps you find that length you need in the splits. Don't worry about going deep. Just feel the stretch and keep breathing. Next, come back into your low lunge and move into lizard pose. Bring both hands inside your front foot, and if you're comfortable, lower your elbows to a block or the mat. This pose opens your hips deeply and stretches the inner thighs. You might feel tight here. That's totally normal. Breathe into the sensation and try to soften with every exhale. Now we'll shift into half pigeon pose. Gently bring your front knee across your mat and slide your back leg straight behind you. Square your hips as much as you can and fold forward if that feels good. This pose is powerful for opening the glutes, hips, and even your lower back. If you're more open, you can try lifting your chest and bending your back knee into king pigeon. Reach back with one hand or both and open the front body. Don't worry if you're not here yet. This pose takes time and patience. Now, let's gently explore the front splits. From half monkey, slowly slide your front heel forward and your back leg backward. Place yoga blocks or pillow under your hips or hands for support. This is a great way to practice safely without forcing anything. Keep your breath steady, your chest lifted and your hips as square as possible. Hold for a few deep breaths and come out slowly, then repeat on the other side. Be gentle with yourself. Flexibility comes with consistent practice, patience, and trust in your body's unique pace. Thank you for stretching with me today. If you find this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more gentle yoga and flexibility content, and drop a comment and let me know how your split journey is going. See you next time, and don't forget to stretch.